Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Rise and grind, rise and grind. I'm out here, it is 6:42 and I just finished a 2-mile run and I got hit with such a powerful energy and I really wanted to share this with you, right? I really wanted to share this message with you. No matter where you are, no matter what you're doing, understand this. Take everything step by step, moment by moment. Because in every single process that you experience, you're finding yourself bit by bit, piece by piece. I know that we want to look 5 years out into the future and visualize what our lives are, but sometimes that can be scary. And it's only because we don't see the things in our present moment that gives us the evidence that what our future is to be, right? So I'm here to let you know that take everything step by step, right? I haven't ran 2 miles in a while now, right? And I'm getting back into it, right? I'm getting back into the groove now. But I don't beat myself up for that. I just take it day by day, pace by pace. But I understand that the work that I did beforehand has set me up to be where I am currently. So I didn't lose anything. As a matter of fact, I gained so much more. So no matter what you're doing, no matter what you didn't do, understand this. Everything that you have experienced up to this moment has prepared you for what your future is to be. It may seem uncertain, but understand that everything is working out the way it's supposed to, because everything works out the way it's supposed to, right? So don't fret, don't be afraid. Understand that everything is always working out for your benefit. No matter how it may seem, no matter how it may appear, everything is always working out for your benefit. And I truly believe that, because I really had to tell myself, like, I love my life. I love myself. I love this process. I love everything that I am experiencing, because I know that everything is building me and designing me to be the greatest version of myself, to create the life that I truly envision for myself. So I want you to know this today, that you are loved, that you are protected, that you are guided in every aspect of your life. Even when you feel lost, all who wander are not lost, and you're not lost. You are discovering yourself. You're very profound. Understand that today. All right, that was it. I'm about to get back to this workout. Peace and progress.